What's up, guys? John here. 2025 will be the year that we see secondary and third jobs become the new norm.
People are giving multiple full-time jobs a try. It's called overemployed.
They're working multiple jobs. It's called being overemployed.
Now, many people will say, look, John, we've already seen this, 2022, 2023. Everyone had side hustles. No. Look at what's happening right now with home insurance. Look at what's going on with property taxes. The cost of living is continuing to get more and more expensive, and household incomes are softening every single quarter.
For many, their wages are not keeping up with the rising costs of everyday necessities.
Median household incomes dropped in 17 states last year.
I believe we're going to see a lot more people hustling and really putting forward a lot of hours every single day and every single week and every single month to bring in more money to try to keep their head above water. Now, if we look at the trends that have unfolded the last 10 years, it was selling online courses. Then it slowly started moving into, communities. People are starting to build communities online. I believe the next couple years, everything's going to be about selling online books, online ebooks, and just traditional books. Everything is going to be based around working smarter versus working harder. If you create a book online, maybe you're an expert in a field or maybe you have interest in a specific field, you create this book once and you could possibly sell it 10, 20, 30, 50, 100,000 times, maybe even 1,000,000 times over. Like, you have a lot of people right now creating a fortune selling ebooks and selling this information. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it without some major social media following or some major commitment with some big publisher. It's going to cost you a fortune. I'll show you how you can do it with BookBolt. Today's video is sponsored by them, and I'm going to just walk you through the entire process so you can see what it would look like for you to get started doing the same exact thing. If you search "make money on YouTube," you'll be flooded with videos about drop shipping, trading, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and even NFTs. And sure, these business models have had their success stories, but here's the catch. They usually require intense research, technical skills, or a significant upfront investment. For someone just starting out, these options can feel overwhelming, and they're not always beginner friendly. So what if there was a way to start a business that was low risk, low cost, and doesn't require you to be an expert in anything? Let me show you a few success stories that'll blow your mind. Take this journal, for example. It's nothing fancy, just a gratitude journal with clean pages for people to jot down their thoughts. But here's the crazy part. It sold over 10,000 units just last month. That's easily over $89,000 in revenue from just one book. Or this niche specific planner for fitness enthusiasts. It's designed to track workouts and meal plans. Over 5,000 units sold in the last 30 days, bringing in tens of thousands of dollars in passive income. But here's the thing, their success in business is not random. It's about choosing the right platform, the right tools, and the right strategy to reach your audience. Leveraging platforms like Amazon, KDP, and tools like BookBolt make selling low-cost content books one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to get started. Stick around because over the next 8 to 10 minutes, I'm not going to just show you how to create one of these books. I'll show you step by step how to launch your first book and set you up for success. First things first, what is a low content book? These are simple books like journals, planners, and notebooks. They don't have chapters or heavy writing, just blank or templated pages for buyers to fill out. And these aren't just novelty items. These are a hot selling category on Amazon. Why? Because they're useful, customizable, and people buy them in bulk for everything from personal use to gifts. To create these books, you don't need graphic design skills or expensive software. Platforms like BookBolt make the process ridiculously easy. They provide everything from templates, cover designers, and even market research tools. It's literally plug and play. Here's how you create the book in less than 10 minutes. First step, design the cover. Pick a free, copyright-safe image from platforms like Pixabay or use your own. A sleek design or something thematic like calming colors for a prayer journal. Don't forget to include a compelling title and author name for credibility. Step 2, create the interior. Use ready-made templates in BookBolt. Want lined pages? Easy. Need a daily planner layout? Done. You can even mix and match layouts, like adding note sections after each planner page. Step 3, export the files. Once the cover and interior are ready, export them to PDF. One for the cover, one for the interior. These files are what you'll upload to Amazon KDP. Step 4, publishing on Amazon KDP. Now that your book is ready, let's talk about getting it live. Step 1 is sign up for Amazon KDP. It's free to create an account. You'll need to fill in basic information like your name, address, and tax information. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Step 2, upload your files. Choose the paperback option and fill in your book's title, description, and keywords. Keywords are crucial. They determine if your book gets found. Tools like BookBolt help you find the most searched terms inside of your niche. Step 3, pricing. For beginners, pricing from $7.99 to $14.99 works well. Amazon takes a small cut for printing and fees, but you'll earn between $2 and $4 for every single sale. Step 4, hit publish. Once Amazon reviews and approves your book, usually within 72 hours, it goes live and is available to millions of customers. How to stand out and get sales. Your book is live, now what? Let's make sure people actually buy it. Step 1, use the right keywords. Think like your customer. What are they searching for? Terms like daily planner for women or prayer journal with verses are specific and effective. Step 2, pick strategic categories. Choose less crowded categories to rank higher in search results. A niche like religious journals might be better than notebooks. Step 3, get reviews. People trust reviews. A few 5-star reviews can boost credibility and sales. Scaling your income. Now that you've got one book live, imagine having 10, 20, or even 100 books, each making a few sales a day. The beauty of this business is that it scales. Once the book is created, it can sell forever without you having to lift another finger. Experiment with different niches, seasonal planners, gratitude journals, even Sudoku books. The more variety you offer, the higher your chances of finding a bestseller. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but if you stay consistent and learn as you go, this can become a great source of passive income. Start small, build quality books, and build your catalog over time. If you're ready to start your own passive income journey, use coupon code JOHN20 for a special 20% off on any plan for the lifetime of your subscription. Now, I love the planner, the diary, the ebook business, and why? Well, I think it has a lot of potential, especially given where we are right now in the world. Look at what's happened so far in January 2025. Pretty crazy start to the year, and I think the world's going to get crazier. And with that, I think inflation is going to get much, much worse, and millions of people are going to look for a second business, side hustle, third jobs. They're going to be doing whatever they have to do to try to make ends meet. But when you look at what business you should approach, I would look first at what it would cost to start that business. Most businesses, you need to have retail or customer support or perishable goods. You need to take on some risk. And then hopefully at the very end, you end up getting that result, you end up getting your money back, and then you end up profiting, right? Maybe a year, 2 years, 3 years down the road. But with a book business or a planner business or a journal business, this is a business that's considered pretty low risk. Why? Because you don't need the customer support, you don't need the staff, you don't need the expenses. You can really set it up overnight, and if you do a good job, then you might be able to start making some money from this. Now, I heard of this company called St. Belford. They're based in Australia. There's 2 owners. They have 0 employees. The company made $160,000 in the last 6 months. Now, some of you, that might not be a lot. To others, that's a fortune. You know, if you could add another $2, $3, $4 grand a month to your income, even $1,000 a month, $500 a month, that's a lot for most people. It would pay someone's car payment. And so if you could set up a business to where you could help a lot of people, you can create one product one time and sell it to 100 or 1,000 or 10,000 people or more, that's a pretty incredible business model. Now, I think this is going to continue to be a growing trend, but some advice on this from what I've learned, creating content on YouTube. The more tailored your message, the better chance you have of serving that desired customer. What do I mean by that? Let's say, for example, I put out a YouTube video and the subject line was money. Odds are you would never see the video. YouTube wouldn't suggest it. Why? Because there'd be millions and millions of other people putting out videos about money. But if I said, how to make money in 2025 in 5 easy steps, it's more than likely going to rank a lot better. Why? It's tailored to this specific moment in time, telling people how to do something, and it's giving them 3 steps, and it's just more likely to, take it in front of more viewers. It's more tailored. The same thing's going to be true with a planner, a diary, a journal. The more focused you are of serving that specific client, the more likely it is that you're going to serve them. Example, If you had a planner that was about, or a diary or a journal, about teaching people how to lose weight, you're likely going to be in a very saturated market. But if you said how to teach single moms how to lose weight in 2025, a single mom would probably pay 2 or 3 times more for that planner than the other planner because they feel like it's about them. I believe this is an awesome business. I think it's really cool, and I think it's something that if you've been thinking about doing, you should take the next step. You can do so by clicking the link in the description just below this video, and I'll catch you next video.